Hey, boss. You want to see me?
Hold this. You believe in God?
No, not really.
What do you believe in?
I believe I'll end up somewhere nice, hearing the waves crash against the ocean at a nice beach.
You believe there's a barrier to entry to help you get into that afterlife?
No. I think everyone deserves to find their peace, get to be somewhere nice.
Right. Do you think somebody like me deserves their own peace?
I don't see the relevancy. Why am I here, Smith?
Caleb, you know the rules. I've told them to you before. Yes? Yeah. Because I don't remember ordering you to pull that shit on my operation.
Oh, what? Oh, no, are you talking about that one job we did a couple weeks ago? No, I covered all my tracks.
No, you jumped the shark. You couldn't wait one day before you spent all that money. They found the tapes, Caleb. They matched the serial numbers. I mean, why couldn't you think? I really much rather be me talk to you than the other guys, because I mean, at least I can talk to you first.
Don't you fucking talk.
At least I can talk
say
to you
that.
first.
Don't say that. Not you. Not you. Don't you fucking talk to me like that. Don't say that. Everyone else agreed to enacting the code. Everyone. Fuck that.
Yes.
Oh.
Sit down. Remember Lenny?
Yeah. I remember Lenny. We were driving out in the Impala. We had to take care of him. He was in the trunk. And he was kicking. And he was screaming and he was crying. And then the whole car started to smell like shit. We had to stop. And then we shot him. I shot him. I thought I had more time. You know?
Yeah. I get it. You know, when you first joined, I imagined you running the syndicate.
You're just saying that.
No,
You're just saying that.
I did, and I still
Then
do.
don't let them kill me!
There's just no other way. The cops are coming after you. I mean, I can't let that happen.
Let me run. Let me take my death. There has to be a way. There has to be a way. Anything. I know you're just doing your job.
Can you forgive me for that?